Miami traffic, Skyline November 80 Pop Echo, taxiing to the run-up area for runway 17, Miami. This taxiway's got a little dog leg to it looks like, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. That plane that was taken off right after we landed, I thought it looked like he was turning around or something, that he was doing this.
Yeah, yeah. That's odd.
Yeah, real odd.
Miami Regional Airport, automated weather observation 2211 Zulu. Wind 170 at 17 knots. Peak gusts 22 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below.
I thought we were getting some gusts in
Yeah.
there.
I wonder if this means we're going to get a tailwind. I think you're at the end of the runway when you get right here.
I know, it's kind of deceiving the way it's set up. I've never seen one with a dog leg.
You know that some people don't know what that means, dog leg?
Oh, dog leg?
Yeah. But I'll tell people all the time, you go straight across here, then you just kind of dog leg. And they'll just look at me like, what do you mean?
I thought everybody knew what a dog leg was.
I thought so too.
Oh, well. All right, full rich. Prop in, fuel on both. Taxi lights on. Miami traffic, Skyline November 80 Pop Echo, taking off runway 17, Miami. Alright, 17, pretty much straight down the runway, but we got a 17 knots, I think, gusting 22. Too bad. Alright, full rich, prop. Wheels on the floor, 17 on the paint. Instruments green. Airspeed is alive. And rotate. Positive rate, flaps up. Miami traffic, Skyline November 80 Pop Echo, turning right crosswind 17, Miami. Miami traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, right downwind 17, Miami. Miami traffic, Skylane 80 Papa Echo departing the area to the north, Miami.
Gilman traffic, Cherokee 14 Lima turning left base, runway 18 Gilman. Gilman traffic, Cherokee 14 Lima turning final, runway 18.
I can see Big Brutus. See it right there? Red straight in front of us. 12 o'clock low. 5 miles. Got it now?
Oh. No.
See where all the water is?
Yeah.
Go to the north.
Okay. Oh, I see it now. The orange thing there. How did I miss that?
Big red orange thing.
You can really see where they did all the mining now.
Yeah, you can because it's all filled with water. Am I over far enough for you to get a good shot?
Yeah, I think so. Should be, yeah. Go ahead and turn a little bit. No, the other way.
Station traffic, jet plane 6 Bravo November, 30 minutes prior to jumpers, 14,000 below over Cushing.
Hit it?
Yep, got it.
Well, hello everybody. We just finished our little trip to Miami,
Yeah, we did.
Oklahoma, and we enjoyed Big Brutus. Hopefully y'all do too, because that would be last week's video.
Traffic, Cessna 1.
And we visited Route 66, ate a little hamburger place there as well,
You did?
and kind of messed up and didn't get to the dessert place in time, but I guess we can do that when we get them.
Yeah, well, I bet we can find some dessert.
We can always find dessert.
Yeah, Big Brutus was really amazing. I liked it. And then, surprising, we found the little ghost town of Pitcher. I had heard of it before, and it never had clicked with me that that's where it was.
Yeah.
And then Miami. It's kind of there were some good things, and then there were some things like there's an old Texaco gas station that the building is still there, and it still looks like the old building, the original Texaco gas station, but it doesn't have pumps out in front of it anymore.
Yeah, and that's the main thing.
Yeah.
We kind of wanted to see the pumps, and
Yeah.
you know, especially if they're old glass top pumps.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
you watch
and-
American Pickers at all, you know what we're talking about.
Yeah. And it was cool to see some of the original Route 66 that's just one lane wide. But I think the winter had done a number on it because it was kind of dirty. It was hard to pick out in places.
Yeah, well, they say you're supposed to be able to see where they painted Route 66 on the asphalt, but we never could see it. Like you said, it was pretty dirty.
Yeah. So overall, it was a very full day, a very quick day. There were quite a few things we wanted to see. Oh, Mickey Mantle's boyhood home. That was another surprise.
That was a kind of a pleasant, unexpected surprise, just because you just happened upon it, and it's not really noted anywhere. So it's not like it's a big touristy thing. So
there were no signs directing you to it. I just happened to see online that it was there, and I mean, you go into the middle of a residential area and there are no signs pointing it out, just a plaque on the actual home.
Yeah, and that's it.
So. But overall, I think it was a really good day.
Yeah, we had fun. So hope y'all enjoyed both videos, and appreciate the subscribers. We've gained quite a few. Again, thanks for watching. And we appreciate your comments and your support on our channel, and you know, especially the constructive criticism. Nothing like super negative or anything, but hey, how about y'all do this, or how about y'all do that? And that we appreciate. We try to accommodate the best we can. But
oh yeah.
Well, today turned out to be pretty windy and gusty. It's a lot windier and gustier than we thought it was going to be.
Oh yeah.
But it's always good practice. If you always fly on super calm days, and you ever go out on a calm day and then you get caught in something a little less than ideal, then at least you landed and taken off a few times in it. You know what to expect.
Exactly. No matter how hard we try, there's always some kind of equipment failure.
Yeah.
Our gimbal, I don't know if it wasn't charged fully or what, it just didn't want to work today, so no gimbal for the phone videos. And then I had an issue when we were flying down. The cameras kept falling off. We have the RAM suction cup mounts, which we love, and they normally work really well, but they fell off like twice, and we determined that I think there was probably a film on the glass, and we had not cleaned it. So
we'll
anyway,
see.
Yeah, we'll see here in a few minutes if they pop off or not.
Yeah, I guess we ought to get in the habit of making sure the inside of the glass is clean, and the rubber on the RAM mounts. Wipe them down with a little alcohol before we leave the house.
Yeah.
More traffic, Cherokee 56691, turning crosswind for 18, Claremore.
We're picking up Claremore all the way out here.
I know it.
Had a YouTube subscriber, Jeff, who contacted us, wanted us to come down there. He said he's going to be up flying for the first time in a while today. He had a little surgery done, and just wanted to make sure everything was good with that before he took off. And so we're going to go down and meet him here probably next month or so, and go to Will Rogers Museum.
Oh yeah, that should be good.
Oh, big shout out to Jeff.
Someone told us about a Cajun restaurant in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. Sure what that one's near. Do you remember?
You could probably get there through Claymore. It'd be a little bit of a drive. Thing about that is the people who told us about it, Cole, who subscribes, used to be a co-worker at one time, and I trust his assessment that it's Cajun food, even though it's in Oklahoma and it's good. So I've been burnt on that before sometimes. So somebody says it's good, you go eat it, and you go, no. Oh.
Unless you go to Billy's Boudin in Cracklin in Opelousas, Louisiana, you can kind of count on that being.
Yeah, well, Randall, another subscriber, invited us down there. Okay, if y'all hadn't figured this out yet, if you want us to come visit you somewhere, let us know about some super great food that's the only place you can get it, and it's the best food in the world. and we'll make the effort to get there.
And there's always the key words with us. It's hamburger. We love hamburgers.
Yeah.
And then there's also the old chicken fried steak. We're always in search of a really good chicken fried.
Well,
And anything sweet.
yeah.
Anything sweet.
Well, it was several years ago. There was actually a group of attorneys, I think, in Wichita,
Yeah.
that went around hitting all of these little mom and pop hamburger stands, and they would report on it. And they had like 20 or 30.
I was going to say there were about 20 on that list, and I think we hit them all.
Yeah, and so Janice and I, we took that as a quest to go out and hit them all. And hands down, the best burgers are in some of the dumpiest, diviest
Exactly.
locations.
But it kind of depends on your preference too. Do you like, the ones with the sauteed onions and stuff on them? That's kind of popular where we are. People like those kind of burgers. Or do you like just a regular burger? And we're not real big cheeseburger people, so.
No. It's kind of sad when I run to show people my burger, but it's really just meat, bacon, and barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Whereas yours looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye.
It's like, I like the leafy green lettuce and the tomatoes.
You like all the colors.
Yeah.
I just want meat with a side of meat
Right.
with some barbecue sauce.
Right. Now, I made that comment about cheeseburger, but I do like a burger with like blue cheese on it, or one of those fruit cheeses.
Yeah.
I like those. We do have a favorite place in Wichita, one of our favorites, and it's not a dive. It's called Fizz. And it's called Fizz because they have all these different kinds of sodas that you can get, flavored sodas. But they have really, really good burgers.
And they're thick, and their fries are wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
They're what do you call them? The home fries or
Like the steak fries.
steak fries,
Yeah.
where they still have the skin and all of them. They bring out 5 or 6 different kinds of sauces for you. I just use barbecue sauce.
Had some really good sauces, and Ron, ketchup or barbecue sauce for him.
Yeah, well, I prefer not to have ketchup.
And don't give him the hot ketchup.
Yeah.
And don't give him the hot barbecue sauce.
Yeah. I like hot, spicy foods. I just don't like hot, spicy barbecue sauce, because usually it's hot, spicy to burn your mouth and not the good flavor.
So anyway, now you know all of our food preferences.
Yeah. All right, 2 miles diac, 10 degrees flaps. Press descent. On the loc, straight on. Glide slope will start coming in after diac. 1 mile to the final approach fix. Glide slope starting to come in. Half a mile to final approach fix. 20 degrees of flaps. Almost on glide slope.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 2301 Zulu. Wind 170 at 15. Peak gusts 30. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 2984.
Alright, glide slope looks dead on. I'm looking at the gauges, baby, but you should be seeing 2 white and 2 red, I think.
Yeah, you've been pretty much on it, really,
Yeah.
according to the lights.
Parr, traffic scaling 80 Pop Echo, 2.5 mile final, straight in 18, full stop, Jabbar. Our glide slope looks good, tappies look good. I'll put a little extra speed in because of the dusts. Jabbar, traffic scaling 80 Pop Echo, short final, full stop 18 Jabbar.
Minimums. I fought that one all the way in.
Didn't you though? Wow. Yeah, look at the windsock.
Oh, I know it. It's straight out and then it's dropping. It's straight out and it's dropping. I thought I had it real good there for a minute, but I had a little too much speed and I floated it just a touch. But that's fine. I'd rather have a little too much when you got a 10 to 15 knot differential.
Boy, there's a bunch of big boys out over here, Ron.
I'll take it. It wasn't pretty. It's 15 knots.
I was going to say, yeah.
Jabbar, traffic scaling 80 Pop Echo, clear runway 18, taxiing to the ramp, Jabbar. All right, ling lights on, taxi's on, nav stroke off. Leaned, cow flaps open. Here's our air marshal. All right, we clear over here to the right.